Here are 6 simple principles for a fulfilling life. Be independent, rely on yourself more than others. While it's okay to seek help, don't expect it without giving back. Work hard and take responsibility for your own success. Stay strong. Endurance is important. It doesn't mean being weak, but knowing when to keep going and when to take a break. Being patient shows maturity. Plan for challenges. Life isn't always easy. Think ahead about tough situations so you can stay calm and handle them well when they come up. Take responsibility. Don't just go with the flow and avoid doing anything. Give your best effort and then adapt to what happens. Don't wait for things to just happen. Be respectful. Avoid putting others down and stay out of unnecessary arguments. What you say can hurt others, so be mindful of your words. Control your anger. Getting angry quickly doesn't help anyone. It can ruin relationships and harm opportunities. Stay calm and handle situations with patience.